we're propagating Salvia leucantha, or Mexican bush sage, from cuttings. And we're going to need to water them in once we've got them put in the cells and in the potting soil, but not keep them so wet that they get, the leaves stay wet. They need to have good air circulation so that the leaves will dry off so that they won't grow fungus and all that. It'll take several weeks for these to root down. What I usually do is to find out whether or not I've got roots coming, you can pick up these flats and you can see the little holes down here. These roots will go very deep, and the very first roots that come out will make a beeline for one of these holes right here, and you'll see white roots sticking out of these holes, and you'll know that they've rooted down and that you've got conceivably enough plants, enough roots to conceivably set to another location, or to a larger pot. But you want to pull them up and take a look. If you grab a hold of the plant and the plant basically comes, or it looks like it wants to pull out without lifting up into the soil, you probably don't have as many roots as you think you got. Of course, Salvia leucantha can be grown in a number of ways. This pot right back here has a plant that was dug up, or actually pulled up during some cultivation practices, and had a whole bunch of roots on it, and I just put it in some potting soil, and I expect it to do quite well. Much like dividing a clump of the plant and making numerous plants out of a root ball, this is kind of the same idea. Salvia leucantha is a Texas native. It's a very tough plant, makes a beautiful purple, almost foxtail looking bloom that comes on in the fall. It's quite striking, and I believe it is even used as it's a sage. I believe it even has been used as a seasoning by the old timers.